Hi, my name is Freya and I volunteer at CorrelAid Switzerland and DataCross. We are a non-profit data science organization with a few hundred members, and together with people from the Netherlands and Germany, CorrelAid is a network of volunteering data scientists. Data science can provide benefits to organizations by enabling them to learn from their data and thereby improve their impact. It has delivered huge scale-up benefits to the financial and engineering sector, but the costs to hire a data scientist are just too high for non-profit organizations to pay. Most NGOs don't have a data scientist on their team, and many don't consider the value their data can have at all. So we want to offer our knowledge and skills to other NGOs to help them make sense of the data they have, and by creating tools and visualizations to make better decisions more easily. We do this by reaching out to nonprofits, identifying where we can best help them, scoping, and then executing a project using our network of volunteering data scientists. DataCross's aim is to also focus on continuity and maintenance to achieve long-lasting impact. As of right now, our association is still quite young. We founded DataCross in 2021 and want to spread the word about our offer to other nonprofits. We need your help to do that. Not just with your data science skills, we also need team leads to scope and manage projects with NGOs. We need people with marketing and social media skills, and also need help with legal matters. There are plenty of opportunities to help out, so if you like our mission and would like to step up, we would love to have you on board. You can get in touch with us on Twitter at CorrelAid Swiss, through our website datacross.ch, or through email at freya.mossig@datacross.ch.